Have you ever wondered what OTP is? Let's find out together. Hello, friends. Today, we're going to talk about something very common, but also very important. It's called an OTP. Most of the time, a message arrives on our phone with a number, and we're asked to enter that number. But many people don't really know what that number actually is. So today, we'll understand it calmly, in simple and easy words. OTP stands for a one-time password. It is a special number that is usually made up of 4 or 6 digits. It contains only numbers, no letters or words. This number can be used only once. Once it has been used, it does not work again. Where does an OTP come from? An OTP always comes to your mobile phone. Most of the time, it arrives as an SMS message. Sometimes it can also come through WhatsApp. The OTP is sent only to the phone number that is registered on your mobile. Why is an OTP used only once? An OTP is valid for just one time. Once you use it, it expires immediately. And if you take too long, the number stops working. In that case, a new OTP is generated. So friends, today we understood what an OTP is, what it looks like, and where it comes from. In the next video, we'll talk about the benefits of OTPs and the important things you should always keep in mind. Till then, bye-bye.